Oh yeah. All right, folks. It's not that great view that way because of the sun, but we got something great here, folks. If you're doing oil changes or you got to get underneath your car, quick and easy. Sometimes ramps make more sense than bringing a big, heavy jack. Now, especially in my situation, because I obviously have no garage to bring my car and have a jack ready to go right there. I gotta bring it all the way into the street because my driveway is on a big slant. Okay, so I can't even use my driveway. I gotta use the street. That's where these ramps come into play. Because all I gotta do is plop them down and drive my car up on them, and I got major clearance, and I don't have a jack to haul around or to kind of get in the way, right? Obviously, not all cars are like my Mitsubishi Outlander that has a pretty much a jack point right in the center underneath the engine bay for me to jack up my car and do a quick oil change. Now, since, well, we're not doing the oil change on the Outlander today, we're doing it on a different car. These things just make it so easy. Super lightweight, a great price. These are made out of great materials. Again, it says it right in the box. Tough tools, half the price. All right, these things are super cheap. I'll have a link underneath, but let's open them so you can get a closer look. All right, so pretty much right out of the box, you're ready to rock. All right, super lightweight. Again, you stack these on each other. Obviously, you're gonna need two of them, and you just bring them over to your car. You drive up on them, and you're ready to rock. All right, you got a nice warranty on these. VEVOR, like I said, they are all over the place now. Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot. Great heavy-duty construction on these. Yeah, real nice. Obviously, they have a lot of different. They have like low-profile ramps, all different kinds. For me, these made the most sense. So let's see them in action now. Let's see what kind of lift we get and how easy it is now to get underneath your car. All right, folks. Basically, 45 seconds later, we got liftoff. All right, and watch. So I'll be doing a first break-in oil change on this Nissan Rogue Rock Creek, man. All right, 750 miles. I wanted to do it at like 500, but got a little crazy there. But we're gonna do it at 750. The most important oil change you're gonna do on your car. But it all comes because of these ramps. How easy it is. Again, with my Outlander, I had a nice jack point right underneath here. All I had to do was crank her right directly here. Oil pan, oil filter, easy as pie. But not all cars are like the Outlander Sport. They're not made for convenience. They're made to make your life miserable. But these will make it a little bit better. The VEVOR car ramps. Link will be below if you're interested, folks. Peace. Yeah, just want to let you guys know we do have a warranty with this. You just got to go to VEVOR.com support. All right, you're gonna put probably your order number in. Again, these are sold at Amazon, Lowe's, and Home Depot as well. Really solid, really nice construction. They're heavy, but not that heavy, or should I say they're heavy. They're light, but they're heavy enough. All right, car goes up them so easy, and it gives you just if you want these particular ones, I mean, it gives you just, if you have an SUV, the perfect clearance to do really anything underneath the car. All right, just did an oil change. It was super easy with these. They do have low profile for like sports cars and stuff like that as well, but It's a real nice, cheap, car ramp. All right, instead of breaking the bank. Some things you just got to be smart buying, and to spend a lot of money on car ramps when you don't have to, when there's a quality brand out there that makes a solid product. Sometimes you got to go that route. All right, and spend your money somewhere else, like on food or something for your child. All right, link will be below. Like I said, peace out.